look at this question here. We are being told that x equals to power negative 1 over 3 equals to 32x power negative 2. Then we are being told that find the value of x. Now, for us to find the value of this x here, the first thing we do is that we need to know how we can eliminate this negative 1 over 3. This negative 1 over 3, it means like it is the negative of the cube root, okay? So for us to remove this negative cube root here, we multiply by the negative 3, and we also multiply on the other side by negative 3. So it will be x equals to negative 1 over 3 equals to 32x power negative 2. So I will multiply here by, so I will multiply by negative 3. I will multiply here by negative, no, I will multiply everything here by negative 3. Okay, everything inside on the right hand side and also on the left hand side I multiply by negative 3. So when you multiply that way, you find that this one will cancel that one, negative and negative, they become positive. So we are going to remain with the x power positive 1, okay, which is equals to this one, 32 power negative 3, and x negative 2 times negative 3, that is positive 6. Okay, so from there is something I need you to see. That is now x equals to, remember we have a negative here. This negative, it means it will be 1 over 32 power 3, okay, x power 6. Okay, so at this point here I have changed it into the negative, because to remove this negative it becomes 1 over 32 power 3. So here also it will be x equals to 1 over this, the indices, we need to change that 2 into the indices, remember, that 32 by 2 here, that is 16, by 2, that is 8, by 2, that is 4, by 2, that is 2. Okay, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, that is 2 power 5. Okay, so I write here, but remember we have 3 outside. 2 power 5 power 3 outside times x power 6. Okay, then the next step we need to look at, it will be x equals to 1 over 3 times 5, that is 2 power 15, times, let me just put a dot, times x power 6. X power 6, okay? So at this point here I need to remove this one from here. I multiply it on the right hand side and also multiply it on the left hand side. Multiply by 2 power 15, multiply by 2 power 15, okay? So that this one here will cancel this one, and then we are going to remain with 2 power 15 x equals to x power 6. Okay, I need to remove this x here. I divide it by x, I divide it by x. So 2 power 15 equals to this one here, subtract by 1 here, it will be x power 5. Okay, now there's something I need to introduce so that you know it. Remember, this is like x power 1 and this is x. When you have a division here, it means the indices we are going to subtract them. Okay, So it will be x power 6 minus 1, which is equals to x power 5. This minus here, it is because of the division. So at this point here, when we have that one, what we want to do here, it is to find the fifth root. We find the fifth root so that I can remain with x, or you can multiply by 1 over 5, multiply by 1 over 5. So the fifth root of x here, it will be x equals to the fifth root. Now we remove this one, then the fifth root of this one here, that is 2 power 15 times 1 over 5. That's the fifth root of it. I've changed this one. So when we change that one, we remain with x equals to, by here 1, by here 3. That is 2 power 3. Then 2 power 3 is the same as, now x equal to 8. X equals to 8. Now 2 power 3 is the same as 8. Now x here equals to 8, and that is the answer.